Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you how to make a refreshing and healthy watermelon salad. Perfect for summer. We'll need cucumber. This is a hothouse or English cucumber and the skin can be left on. No need to peel it. Fresh lemon, fresh mint leaves. Even after being covered with more than a foot of snow, mint came back in this pot. Mint is pretty much a weed, so grow it in a pot and not in the ground. I had so much last year that I ended up drying it. Feta cheese goes wonderfully with watermelon. I buy it in a block and cut it up. The packaged feta that's already crumbled can be a bit dry. For the dressing, add olive oil to a measuring cup, cut the lemon, and squeeze the juice right into the cup. A little salt. I like to add a pinch or two of red pepper flakes. Whisk it all up, taste, and add a little sugar if your lemons are very sour. That's it for the simple dressing. I've got a medium watermelon here and won't be using all of it. If you have a large crowd to feed, you can definitely double this recipe. Cut the watermelon in half. Trim the end. There are so many ways to cut watermelon, but I find it easier to cut the rind off first. Clean it up a bit. Slice it into 1/2-inch thick pieces. Then cut into bite-sized chunks. Although this is a seedless watermelon, it has white seed coats, which are soft and perfectly safe to eat. Trim the ends of the cucumber. And cut into small pieces. Cut the feta into big chunks. Or smaller cubes like this. I don't crumble the feta because it'll just get lost in the salad. Put the cucumber in a large bowl. Whisk the dressing and pour it on top. Mix that well. Add the watermelon chunks. Tear up the mint leaves. Mix everything to combine. Add the feta cheese at the end and mix it in just before serving. This salad is best served right away or chilled for a very short time. Of course, I've had leftovers and eaten them the next day. It is still tasty, but definitely better the first day. If you want to prepare this ahead of time, cut up the cucumber and watermelon the day before. Keep them in separate bowls. The dressing is fine in the fridge for a few days. Just before serving, combine all the ingredients. Make the salad and let me know what you think in the comments below. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.